lost a tire and a battery. Welcome back, guys, to the channel. So today we got the Arrma Vorteks. We're gonna unbox it and then we're gonna go bash it. You got the red and blue. Also comes in these colors. Comes in purple and green. So this is Arrma's the most advanced and fastest 1/10 scale car from Arrma. So it does come with the Spectrum smart electronics and also with the AVC. So you got 60 plus, running 3S batteries. The truck looks really good. Has a little wheelie bar in the back. I'll just take the cover off real quick. So here's just the setup. They got the smart electronics. Got some plastic on the body, which is pretty cool. Oh yeah, the spoiler is hooked up to the body. This might be my new favorite go-to car. I mean, it's perfect for everything. For bashing, it's probably good on the track. One of those cars that just does everything. Okay, time to go run this thing. Dude, I like it, so smooth. Oh, I think I missed it. Dude, this thing is nice. Dang, this thing got power, dude. Dude, this goes backwards pretty easy. Last shot right here. Woo! Okay, so I think we might have broke something. So we'll try to take it apart and see what's up. No. So I think just the gear mesh got messed up. So the motor just got loose on the motor mount, so it was not touching the gears. So we got it back up, so we should be good to go again. I think it's just oh, okay, I see what it is. That thing broke off.
Super glue.
Super glue all the way. Almost landed. Almost a triple. We lost a tire and a battery. So we got broken shock, tire out, battery out. I love this truck. So this might be the end of the video because we lost the hex inside. We'll probably do more videos with this because this thing's pretty awesome. All right, you guys have a good one. See you guys next time.